I've had a very useful meeting with the Commissioner of Police, and the BCCI has assured the Delhi Police of all its cooperation. I've also told him about the intention of the BCCI to request the Rajasthan Royals franchise to file an FIR with the Delhi Police, because the 3 players who have violated the code are also guilty under the criminal code, and that the affected party is technically is Rajasthan Royals, so they would also be filing a complaint with the Delhi Police.
Has the police told you that the investigation is going beyond the 3 players in any way, or only these?
I am not at liberty to discuss anything more with you. Thank you very much.
आपने कुछ एविडेंस मांगे हैं दिल्ली पुलिस से ताकि आप लोग भी अपना जो प्रोब है वो शुरू कर सकें?
As I said, I am not at liberty to discuss anything more than this with you. Thank you.
आप लोग एक्शन ले रहे हैं, कुछ कार्रवाई करेंगे आप लोग एक्शन लेंगे कुछ ऐसा?
जी, हमारी डिसिप्लिनरी इंक्वायरी सेपरेट चलेगी उसमें, और जो भी एक्शन मेरी एक बार रिपोर्ट दाखिल कर दूंगा तो डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी जो है वो उस पर पूरा एक्शन लेगी।
आपकी इंक्वायरी में कितना समय लगेगा, कितने दिन में?
इसका मैं आपको कोई वो अंदाजा नहीं दे सकता हूं, क्योंकि ये जो एविडेंस है उसका सारा कलेक्ट करने में कितना समय लगेगा।
You have given a presentation in the month of January to the franchisees about certain people being present in the stadium, sir. Are these people the same people whom you were worrying about?
No comments on all this, please, because any information that I have and I cannot share with the media because it should not affect my inquiry.
अच्छा सर, आपने राजस्थान रॉयल्स को बोला है कि एक FIR दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ में दर्ज करें इस पूरे मामले में फर्दर एक?
ये डिसीजन कल लिया गया था,
तो उन लोगों की तरफ क्या कहा गया?
वो करेंगे।
BCCI appointed one-man probe commissioner, Mr. Ravi Savani. Interestingly, many people don't know that Mr. Kumar is amongst the original team of officers which busted the original match-fixing racket in this country, match-fixing ring to say that in this country. Mr. Kumar, you have just met BCCI officials. What are their principal demands from you, and how far can you travel with them?
They have asked us to share whatever we come to know at the end of our probe, so that they can take disciplinary action against the players. So they are being very reasonable. They want us to complete our investigation, and we will share the information only with the permission of the court.
Mr. Kumar, one other important point to make is that, there is some confusion. While Mr. Savani, when he was exiting, he said that Rajasthan Royals, as the cheated party, would want to register an FIR with you. The second part is that you would be calling them for questioning. What is the correct legal position as far as the Rajasthan Royals management is concerned?
The correct factual position is that Rajasthan Royal management has approached us that they will file a complaint because they have been cheated by the 3 players. They are yet to come to us, and once they come to us, what their complaint can become part of our ongoing investigation, or we may consider it as a separate case. It is more likely that what they say will become part of our ongoing investigation itself.
Okay, my final and most important question probably in that sense. A lot of people outside are speculating, Mr. Kumar, that you are under tremendous pressure. Tremendous pressure not to cover up in this case which you have already busted, but tremendous pressure to probably limit your probe to the people who are already in your net. Is it the case?
It is totally incorrect. I don't know from where this has emerged. It is totally incorrect. There is no pressure whatsoever. And in any case, even if there is pressure, we are going to take this probe to its logical end. That is for sure.
Come what may.
Come what may.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. Thank you very much.
Nikunj Garg with us. Nikunj, strong words from the Delhi Police Commissioner. He's copped a lot of flack over the past few months. His tenure is set to end very soon. He wants to go out on a high, and he's not willing to bow down to any sort of pressure.
Well, yes, at least on the face of it, Mr. Kumar so claims. And we will have to give him his due at this juncture. At least he has managed to bust probably one of the most important sporting rings in this country in last 1 decade, with high-profile players like Srishant in the ring. But the point is that question will keep coming back to Mr. Neeraj Kumar as and when there are new developments in the probe. So it is all very well for him to say today that he's under no pressure and he'll bow to no pressure. But we'll have to keep watching this situation because there are, as you know, Anand, more than me, better than me, that, you know, cricket is a very well-connected world, and cricketing personalities and sporting personalities are very well-connected people. So, you know, pressure can come from any quarter, from the government quarters, from the political quarters, from the sporting quarters, and Mr. Kumar will have to prove to be a true leader to stand up to all those kinds of pressure, Anand.
Well, from superstars to corporate bigwigs to political heavyweights, all of them are involved with the nation's cricket.